up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we went to Best Buy to kind of look at car audio related things. Mostly, I know we went there mainly for like car radios, because my radio has been very staticky and it's just been very glitchy and messed up lately. So we kind of went there to try and see if we could find any nice radios or anything like that, just because, you know, when you're doing like demos or whatever, you don't really want to have any static everywhere. Like, you don't want to have to play your song on YouTube or wherever, or play it off a flash drive, then you just hear static all the time, or you could just hear it slightly in the background, because that gets annoying after a while and you're like, dang, I don't even know if I really want to play a song anymore. So we kind of went to Best Buy. It was just like a random little thing. We went here and we decided we were just gonna find this car audio section, because here's the thing. In my time at Best Buy, all the times I've been at Best Buy, I've never been to the car audio section. Like, actually, I've always either been in the Pac-Man section, the light section, or the hair section, or watching TV on a big screen somewhere. But I've never been to the car audio section. So we got there and I saw all these different types of radios, and I thought, and stereos and things, and some of them my dad has in his car, his truck, or like one of them, and so I really liked a lot of them. So what you're gonna kind of see is just me looking at different radios and everything. And honestly, I don't really know what much to say here, because I was just looking at them. I was just looking at the features and things that I liked at this car audio like area, and looking at the different types of radios that they had. I really liked certain amounts, like certain little ones, like the touchscreen ones. If I couldn't tap them and figure out where I was going, I didn't like it. I know it sounds lazy, but I like things to be like self-explanatory when it comes to my tech. A lot of the times, it either has to be self-explanatory or easy for me to find the answer. It was neither of those, and that's okay. But that one was really nice. It was really big, and I thought, oh my goodness, that's so cool. But I saw a bunch of big touch screen ones, and what they probably shouldn't have done is I touched every single screen there like a tiny kid. So yeah, but here's just me, like, I'm testing out different things and seeing how like they work and everything, and just seeing how it feels, you know, because I needed a new one. So now we have just kind of just we have a good radio basically. But basically, you're just gonna kind of see me testing out different ones, and in the end I'll kind of show you the ones I like the most. That's it, and enjoy the rest of the video, and like, comment, subscribe if you like the video so far.
Multi-channel, I said multi-class.
I'm going to tell y'all the ones I like the most from over there, and then I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. Come on. Then I like that one. I like all the ones that look like these because my dad has those and they look cool and they glow and they're nice. And he says that I'll give him a hard time, so I like them. I also like that one. This one he has. I want that one. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all those. Those are my favorite ones from the thing I saw. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'll let y'all know where we go in the store next if we go anywhere.